Technology has changed our lives forever. It's allowed us to share information faster than ever before. It's become an integral part of our everyday lives, from how we communicate, to our transportation, to managing the power that lights our homes and entertains us. It protects our heritage and of things yet to come. It helps us provide better medical care and ways to manage our businesses more efficiently. But technology also presents many challenges, not least of which is protection from a fire. The question is, how do we protect these large volumes of information and the systems so critical to our safety and security? How do we protect this vital infrastructure that's become such a basic part of our everyday life? And how do we provide adequate fire protection for people and the environment while fighting fires? How do we protect responsibly? While water may seem the natural choice, there are serious drawbacks. Water can damage electronics and destroy documents and other media. And while other agents may suppress fires, they can cause damage, downtime, and extensive cleanup. You need a fire suppression system that is clean, electrically non-conductive, non-toxic, non-damaging to documents, and easy to service. You need the clean agent alternative, the Ansell Sapphire Fire Suppression System using 3M Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid. The Ansell Sapphire Fire Suppression System supports Protect Responsibly, a corporate initiative aimed at balancing the impact our products have on the environment as they protect life and property. Engineered specifically to work with one of the more environmentally responsible chemical agents known, 3M Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid, the Sapphire Fire Suppression complies with our Protect Responsibly objectives of selecting materials based on their ability to minimize environmental impact while providing reliable protection. Sapphire is a chemical clean agent system that is safe for people, electronics, and documents. It has one of the lowest impacts on the environment of clean agent alternatives. The system comes engineered to meet the requirements of your specific application. Using tried and tested components from a company committed to doing its best to protect the environment makes your system reliable, safe, and responsible. The Protect Responsibly initiative calls for the development of long-lasting products that minimize resources required for installation, servicing, operation, recharging, and refurbishment. The Sapphire Suppression System is designed for automatic detection and actuation. It is a fixed nozzle system with a small installation footprint, making it desirable in applications where space is a concern. The system is designed to suppress fires where electronics are present and cleanup is an issue. This makes the Sapphire Suppression System an ideal choice to protect high-value and irreplaceable assets. The need for a clean agent system has never been more evident than in an air traffic control room where the lives and electronics the system protects reaches way beyond the hazard area itself. Designed specifically for the hazard, the Sapphire Suppression System suppresses fire quickly in its incipient stage. The Sapphire system starts with fast-acting addressable detectors placed throughout the hazard area. When smoke or particulates are detected, an electric signal is sent from the smoke detector to the auto pulse control panel. Designed to monitor fixed fire hazards, the auto pulse control panel initiates audio and visual alarms throughout the protected area. The auto pulse control panel can also trigger a series of pre-programmed critical actions, like the closing of entryway doors, dampers, or shutting down electrical equipment. Simultaneously, it actuates the fire suppression system by sending a signal to the solenoid in the electric actuator located on top of the agent tank valve. In a single tank system, the actuator opens the tank valve, discharging agent through distribution piping and nozzles into the hazard area. The versatile Sapphire system can support the protection of multiple hazard zones, such as a main hazard area and subfloor. In multiple tank systems, the electric actuator opens the master valve. Additional tanks are actuated pneumatically through quarter-inch stainless steel hose and a pneumatic actuator installed on top of each valve. Once actuated, the Sapphire system distributes agent throughout the piping network to the protected areas. The fire suppression fluid discharges through fixed nozzles uniformly distributed in a 360 or 180 degree pattern, flooding the hazard area. As the agent fills the room, it quickly controls and suppresses the fire by heat absorption, protecting both lives and high-value assets. The system can also be actuated using a remote manual pull station, which may be located along the path of egress. The Sapphire suppression system is your environmentally responsible clean agent fire suppression system of choice. Discharged at concentrations of only 4 to 6% by volume, Sapphire is one of the safest chemical clean agents available today. Tests show 3M Novec 1230 fire protection fluid has only a 5-day atmospheric lifetime, compared to the most common competitive product at 33 years. It's one of the cleanest, most environmentally responsible chemical agents in existence. The Sapphire suppression system is designed and installed in accordance with NFPA Standard 2001 Clean Agent Fire Extinguishing Systems, UL and ULC approved, and meets EPA SNAP program standards and is not listed for regulation under any international treaty. The Ansell environmental warranty states, for 20 years after the installation of an Ansell Sapphire suppression system, use of the Sapphire agent will not be banned by any governmental entity or regulatory body for any of the following environmental issues: ozone depletion potential, global warming potential, atmospheric lifetime. Choose the sustainable technology that meets industry performance standards while safeguarding life and the environment. When it comes to protecting responsibly, Tyco is your supplier of choice. And the Sapphire suppression system is clearly a responsible choice. From the materials, vendors, and processes we employ, to the organizations, industry standards, and discussions we lead, Protect Responsibly is a driving force in everything we do.